Hello, my YT family. I go by name Bibi Baraka. It's a beautiful morning. Today I'm touring my mango garden. No, the progress is going well, and we are in Kenya, East Africa. Kenya, East Africa. Your boy Bibi Baraka. How is Jamaica? I have friends from Jamaica, Indonesia, Pakistan. I will be naming them. I will be naming them America, US, and UK, and South Africa, and Zimbabwe, Namibia. I'm so happy for your views. So this is my mango garden. So these mangoes will be ready come March or early Feb to April. So we will be consuming this one. This was for consumption, for children to enjoy, and we don't sell. So we have another garden where we do sell the mangoes. But here there is no market. The good market is in the USA. But to meet the standard of USA is the difficult thing, you know. But I know as time goes, we'll be learning and know how we can export these to United States of America or to the all part of Africa. So this is my mango. This is mango. So everything is going nice, you see. So now everything is coming out very well. See. So here you also have the other one here. See, so nice, so nice. So from here to there is a mango. See the other one there. Mango tree. So I don't know how you call them at your area. Is it mango or is it what? See, mango everywhere, a lot of mangoes. See, so nice, so nice. Beautiful scenario. A beautiful scenario. Beautiful scenario. Very beautiful scenario. So this one early Feb to be ripe, ready for consumption. This Africa is blessed. Africa is blessed. This one end mangoes of season. So now it doesn't have any flowers in mango because it's end mangoes of season. So nice. See how many are they? See, those are 4. How many these one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So nice. The other one there. The other one there. See. And the rain is doing wonders here. It's raining. Garden of Eden, man. This is Garden of Eden. See. Have a good view. Nice, eh? Garden of Eden. See, so nice. So my people, I'm so happy for your subscription, for your views, man. I'm so happy. One day I will share the analytic of my video where I've been watched. So at the end of this video, I'll put those analytics where my video is being watched. So I'm so happy. Tell me where you are, man. And I send greetings. See, man. See. So nice. Garden of Eden. Garden of Eden. So nice. So nice. So my people, I go by Mbidi Baraka. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. If you haven't liked or commented or subscription, consider by subscribing, because I'll be giving you good vibes, positive vibes. So I'm so happy. Oh, happy. Nice day, nice evening, good morning, good night, according to the time you will be coming across this video. I'm so happy and happy.